Where's the tennis ball, honey?
Yeah.
Tennis ball.
Tennis ball?
Oh. Oh.
I got it.
Over there. You go over there and throw it back to Daddy. Have you seen Vivian?
No.
Maybe she was here.
Haven't seen her.
Vivian. Where was Vivian? Oh, there she is. Pick her on the ball. You give me the tennis ball? Here. Thank you. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Throw it to Daddy. Daddy's got hands to catch it. That's a good hook.
Thank you.
That's a good hook, Dr. D.
Thank you.
No, 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 no.